dozens and dozens and dozens of calls, SMSs and emails, and thank you so much for all that. So it's because of the responses we're getting from you people, we are trying to give back according to the majority of the demands and the questions and the inquiries we've been getting from our callers. We are still talking about the secrets of healthy skin glow, and the secret we're talking about from today is also from within and without as well. So one of the major things we'll be talking about today is this. We'll be going herbal. For healthy, beautiful skin glow, you need to go herbal. Herbal with your cosmetics, herbal with your soaps, herbal with your creams, herbal with your health routines and all that. Okay? We're on another topic. We're going to be talking at length. We're going to go in depth with this, but we just want to scratch the surface a bit today. Okay? We're going to tell you some of the benefits of going herbal. 1. Herbal soaps and herbal products, both the creams and the soaps, they are known to treat eczema, stretch mark, right? Pimples and acne by itself. Because on research, herbal soap has vitamin E and vitamin K. Okay, vitamin E, vitamin K and vitamin A, which are also very, very essential for skin health and skin maintenance, okay? So it's going to also help with the moisture level. It's called the pH level of your skin when you use herbal soap and herbal creams. When we mean herbal creams, we don't just mean herbal creams, but we're referring to creams and lotions that contain a lot of natural ingredients and as well as natural skin lightening ingredients. All that make it herbal. And another thing that makes them herbal is this. They are not just skincare products, but they are also treatments for your skin, okay? So we just want you to clarify that and have you understand that very well. Another thing herbal soaps and herbal creams do is this. They make you look younger over time. So as you continue using them, it now becomes part of your life. You find out that while you're in your 30s, you are looking 25. While you're in your 30s, you are looking in your 20s. While you're in your 40s, you can pass for 30. So it makes you younger. But we have to break this trend of hydroquinone and strong creams. They will destroy your skin, and already a lot of you are already looking older. If anybody is able to guess your age right, then I think you should put your hand on your head and start crying. I think somebody should say you even look 5-6 years older than you look. You should start crying. Because by the time you start using herbal products, you'll be looking youthful, you'll be looking young. So please, we encourage you to convert and change your skincare products and skincare regime to herbal stuff. And apart from that, to your mask. We talked about different skin lighters and different ways to, brighten your skin. All those skin masks using milk, lemon, tomatoes, eggs, those are also natural ways. They're also herbal ways of ensuring that your skin is glowing as well. Water, water, water. The fluid of life. You cannot do without taking water today. And water is also another very, very essential element or essential thing that we need to take seriously. We must take water seriously. We need to cut down on soft drinks and beer drinking and drink a lot of water because it removes toxins from our system and also helps to purify our blood and purify our skin. Then another thing we should talk about as well is exercise. Exercise will make you look young over time, keep your bones strong, keep your immune system bubbling and all that. Water, exercise, they are two crucial things that should be a way of life for you. Form the habit of drinking water, cut down on your soft drink. Form the habit of going to the gym, or if you cannot go to the gym, do some exercises in the house, cardiovascular exercises and all that. Do something, just start gradually. It might be difficult starting, but by the time you get used to it, nobody will need to follow up on you to do it. And at the end of the day, you see benefits in your life and in your skin. Please, my people, let's try to cultivate the right habits. As we're giving information here, use them and empower yourself to make change. I'm Monica Alabi, and I'll join you on the next episode. Thank you.